Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show how to use the inbound webhook URL in Bitrix CRM to send the data from your backend to deal section, and also identify the which fields and the which field values are being stored in the CRM section. So this is especially useful if you are integrating the website or external application or any backend system with Bitrix CRM section. So before going to the session, you need to understanding more about inbound webhook URL section. So please like and subscribe button. After that, you can watch this video. Let's get started. I have already explained previous session in what is inbound webhook URL. So just we recap inbound webhook URL. That means allow external system to send data into the Bitrix24. It's like giving your backend a secure entry point to create and update any records such as leads or deals or contacts in the Bitrix CRM section. So now we in this session we need to understanding which fields are and the respective values identify from the backend through the inbound webhook URL. I have already explained the how to identify the fields in the lead section, both inbuilt and the customized fields through the inbound webhook URL. Same process, same inbound webhook URL, you can easily identify the deal section also. So without wasting my time and your time, uh, let's jump into developer resource. You can go to the others. After that, you can choose an inbound webhook URL. If you observe that two types of URLs are there, this is for webhook to call REST API. For that means your source application or the website. That means if you want to pass the data under the JSON section, JSON body. So your external application fields are different. The Bitrix application fields are different. So you need to identify the what fields exactly store in the Bitrix section. If you are easily identify the fields, you can directly pick the fields and map into your system application fields. So for that, this URL is benefitable for identifying the what exactly fields. That means where the destination of the page that that REST API call REST API. For that, you can add the method. I have already provided the API document. The Bitrix provided the API document. By using the API document, you can attach the method, and then you can easily identify the fields of destination page in the CRM section. This URL is you need to attach it in your external application. Under that, which fields are you identify that destination page section, you can attach the JSON body regarding this URL. This is the benefit of your webhook URL. If you work this URL properly, you need to pass destination uh, page section. For example, your data need to push from your external application to deal. So for that you can choose CRM deal.add, and after that you can pick that URL by using webhook call REST API. You can identify the fields. According to that, you can map it your external application fields to the Bitrix application fields, and finally you can the data is pushed from your external application to Bitrix destination page section. So today I will explain what fields are there in the deal section. So for that you can copy this URL. Let's go to the postman. So in the postman you can prefer the method post method. I have already copied the URL webhook REST API call. For that I have attached the CRM deal.get. I have picked that deal ID from the CRM section for identify the fields. So I need to close this tab. Again I close, jump into CRM, see this. So these are the manually adding the deal data. If you want to push from external application to your Bitrix, you can first you created your fields by using the create button, and you can add your customized fields also in this tab. After that you can pass the value. For example, I created one manual deal, test deal, amount. I enter my contact details, enter my phone number. Now I enter my phone number, my mail ID, enter my address. So like that you can enter your company details, and you can if you want to source or the comment, we can jump into customized field section. Tenure 5 years, term 4 years, payment terms, test amendments, test placement, Hyderabad. So these are their miscellaneous method. These are the customized fields, and you can save it. So we created field data in the Bitrix section. So after that you can identify the field deal ID, then go to the postman. You can pass the deal ID and send it. After that your destination, that means your deal ID information will be, see this, our deal. I created title as a title deal, amount is 10,000 opportunities. You see this in your user interface. You have, if you observe that, amount and currency, but in your backend field the field value is opportunity. So you can pick this field, and I have already explained that webhook URL. According to that you can map it your source external application. And the other thing is, just a minute, see this, these are the customized if you observe that user interface fields are different. See this effective from date, terms of the contact, tenure. So in the user interface, in your terminologies, fields are different. The backend fields value stored in are different. So you can pass this URL, under that you can identify the field names. According to that, you can map it your source, external source. Then only the data push from your external application to in your deal page. So the 5 years, 10 year. If you observe that the contact information is not in the deal section. Why? Because we are created the contact is in the contact section. Basically in the Bitrix, the contact section has a different, the deal has a separate page. Contact and the company is a separate page, and the deal has a separate page, but it's showing in the deal section. Okay, so I will explain later on how can we identify the contacts the company fields in the backend. So I hope you can understanding how to identify your built-in fields in the deal section and the customized fields. So like that you can uh, pass the data from your external application to Bitrix particular deal. So the postman is very useful or benefitable to identify your backend fields. For that you can easily pass the data in your external application, and then the data is easily landing into the Bitrix. I hope this videos helped you understanding that integration process. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, drop them into the comment below. I will happy to help you. Thank you for watching and see you next video.